So hello, good evening, students. So as you see, STAAD Pro is widely used in the software. Like STAAD Pro is a very important software. Whether you so it is widely used. Like see, your so civil engineers use it, whether they are diploma students, BTech students, ITI students. So it doesn't matter. It is a very important software. And see, and and STAAD Pro stands for Structural Analysis and Design. STAAD. S stands for structural. So what we do see this is the three main software are there in civil: AutoCAD, STAAD Pro, Revit Architecture, and that a scope also that is widely used in the industry. So you need to learn a lot about it. And so what we do see we draw some plan. We random see we draw some plan. We draw the beam size, column size. We take some random size. So we analyze the structure whether in what we do in that uh, what we do what we do in STAAD Pro, we analyze the structure whether see suppose we take a beam size is we take the beam size 230 by 230 mm. We draw the plan in AutoCAD, and but we need to check it, like if it is safe. We need to check that if it is safe or not. So that is why we need to check if the beam size. So we analyze, we apply all the loads, standard load cases. Uh, we apply all the standard load cases, and we check it. We check the design, whether the design is safe or not. If it is not safe, we increase the we increase the sizes and then check again until the structure is safe. So that is what STAAD Pro does. It is mainly used for analyzing the structure and for doing these things. So that is why. So this is also like AutoCAD, STAAD Pro, Revit Architecture, because this is not only used in India and abroad also. So it has very huge scope as structural engineer. So this is very important software. So yeah. So moving on with the STAAD Pro, see this is the syllabus of the course. These things will be taught like more than this also, like all types of beam design, column design, frame design, portal frames, plain truss design, then IS codes overview, see, the and wind load, earthquake load, everything. See, with different types of structures. So these things will be covered in our course, and you can see the syllabus, and this is the syllabus will be covered. So and like whenever you learn, go for at least 2 3 softwares, then only your concept will get built. See. So like if you are from civil, like you can learn at least two softwares like AutoCAD, STAAD Pro, or AutoCAD Revit Architecture, or STAAD Pro Revit Architecture. Then your concepts will get better, and your practical knowledge you will get, and see these things. So it will be taught proper live class, doubt class, recording class, everything will be there in our system. So you purchase the course. You can find an Android application link in my channel description, YouTube channel description. You can just purchase the course from there and inform me. After that, your classes will get scheduled. It will start. So just you share with your friends also, and it's a very nominal fees. My course fees is very nominal, and so purchase the course and install my. And any doubt, you can contact me on WhatsApp also. Just install my Android application through my YouTube channel and just purchase the course. And then your classes will get start. Evening classes, anytime as per your free time. When you are free, your classes will be conducted. Okay, so 1 minute. So we're continuing with the. So see, when you open, see, this is the STAAD Pro software. So double click on it or right click from your mouse and click on open. So anything it will open. So I double click on this. See, it will open. See, this is the interface. When you open STAAD Pro, see, this type of screen will come. See, these are the recent building designs you have drawn. So these things will show recent files. You can click here and yeah, and just you can click. Yeah, and the courses are available in English, Hindi language also. So whichever language you are comfortable, you can continue. So that will be classes will be provided. So you're continuing with the start proceed. Any language, either in Hindi or English, whichever language you are comfortable. See, this is in English because the student has purchased course in English, so that is why I'm doing in English. So yeah. So you also purchase new batches are starting soon. So you also purchase the course and inform me your classes will get started. Evening batches anytime you will get as per your free time. See, these are the recent files. So this will show, this list will show. You can, if you left click on your mouse from here, it will open. Or see here, file is there, new is there, new is the, and from here also you can file, click on file, left click, open new. So or from here also new project. So simply left click from your mouse on new project and see now select give the name of the structure. See where you want to save. See it is getting saved here by default. See this is the length units. The units of the length is meter. The force units is in kilonewton. You can change it accordingly and simply so okay yeah. So this was the overview of the software. So you but so yeah you can. So, thank you.